Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's stock FSN analysis and non-moving products and moving, slow-moving and fast-moving report applications. It helps you to identify the fast, slow and the non-moving inventory in the Odoo. You can easily analyze the stock movement with the filters by date, product, or warehouse and export detailed FSN and non moving reports in the Excel. So, for the first step here, I have already configured the database and I'm just moving with the inventory module. And under the reporting, you will find one option for the FSN analysis report. So for this, you have to select the classification for the FSN. So here you have option for the fast moving, slow moving or non-moving. So here I'm selecting the non-moving. After that, if you want to specify the product category or product, so you can also add the same. So here I'm just going to select the company as a browse info and warehouse, and I'm going to generate the report from 2020 January 1 to the 6th November. And here you have three options. If you want to get the reports in Excel, you can also get. If you want the data, you just have to click on this data and you will find all the details. And if you want to get the details in the Excel format, so you just have to click on this Excel. And from here, you can download the FSN Analysis Report Excel file. And here you can see the report is downloaded. After that, we have another option. You just have to click on this graph. So you will find it the bar graph wise and the pie chart and the line graph. After that, we also have an option to select this FSN classification. So you can see what are the products are fast moving, non moving and slow moving. So you can also see it as you want. After that, under the reporting, we also have one option for the non-moving products. So if you want to only download the non-moving products details, so you can also do the same. And if you want to select the warehouse, you can also select, and I'm just going to download this non-moving report. So here you can see the non-moving product reports is generated in the Excel format. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions and doubts regarding this module, please put them on the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the Browse Info's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thank you.